started. Okay. He works, I swear.
Okay. Okay, Winston.
We'll put the little menorah.
Yeah, you put it on his head first.
I think it's kind of stretched out from last time you wore it.
It was slipping already. Oh, here we go.
There you
Kitty
go.
Winston. How's the kitty?
Oh my god, he's walking!
No.
Hey Winston, stand up. No, stand up, Winston.
One more time. Now he needs his little hat.
Okay, ready? Get your feet. Get your feet underneath you.
Come on, Winston.
Stand up, kitty. Come on, come on.
Okay.
Oh, is it good? Ready?
There.
Ready? Ready? Okay. Ready? Ready? We can do this. Ready? Get your feet in. Okay. Feet. Okay. We will help you.
Oh, let's try one arm.
Can get his arm out.
Oh. Okay. Now I'll stand you up. You got one arm.